Flax seeds. Do you realize how healthy these little seeds are? If you don't, you need to watch this video. It may shock you. So, these flax seeds, often referred to as a superfood, are small but mighty seeds packed with a variety of health benefits. Here's a list of the surprising benefits of flax seeds. The first benefit is that flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These are an excellent plant-based source of alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, an essential omega-3 fatty acid that supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and promotes brain function. The second health benefit is that these seeds are high in dietary fiber. Flax seeds are loaded with soluble and insoluble fiber, which aids digestion, prevents constipation, and supports gut health. They also help maintain steady blood sugar levels. These seeds also support heart health. Flax seeds can help lower blood pressure and reduce LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, decreasing the risk of heart disease. The fiber and lignans contribute to better cardiovascular health. Hormone balancing with lignans. Flax seeds are one of the richest dietary sources of lignans, plant compounds that have estrogen-like properties. These can help balance hormones, especially during menopause, and may reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers. Flax seeds have the potential to prevent cancer. The lignans and antioxidants in flax seeds have been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, including breast, prostate, and colon cancer. They may slow the growth of tumor cells. Aids in weight management. Flax seeds are high in fiber and healthy fats, which promote a feeling of fullness and reduce hunger cravings. This can help in managing weight more effectively. Improves skin and hair health. The omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants in flax seeds nourish the skin and scalp, promoting a healthy glow and reducing issues like dryness or inflammation. This one is huge. These seeds support brain health. Flax seeds' omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants help protect the brain from oxidative stress and may improve memory and cognitive function. Blood sugar regulation. Flax seeds may improve insulin sensitivity and reduce blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those looking to stabilize their energy levels. Reduces inflammation. The ALA and lignans in flax seeds have anti-inflammatory properties that can help with conditions like arthritis and reduce overall inflammation in the body. These even help with digestive health. Flax seeds contain mucilage, a gel-forming fiber that supports the gut lining and enhances nutrient absorption. This mucilage also has a soothing effect on the digestive tract. Promotes healthy hormonal cycles. For women, flax seeds may help regulate menstrual cycles and reduce symptoms of PMS, thanks to their hormone balancing properties. Natural detoxifier. The fiber in flax seeds helps bind and eliminate toxins and waste from the digestive system, promoting a natural detox. Boosts immunity. With their combination of omega-3s, lignans, and antioxidants, flax seeds strengthen the immune system, helping the body fight infections and chronic conditions. So, how do you add these seeds to your health routine? It's simple. Ground flax seeds are easier to digest and more bioavailable than whole seeds. Add them to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, baked goods, or salads for a nutritious boost. 1 to 2 tablespoons per day is a common recommendation for optimal benefits. Flax seeds are small but incredibly versatile and nutrient-dense. Incorporating them into your diet is a simple yet powerful way to enhance your overall health. Thanks for watching. I hope this video sheds some light on the health benefits of flax seeds. Before you leave, click that subscribe button for more health and wellness tips. Until the next video, stay well.